How to use MakeMyTrip coupons. In order to use MakeMyTrip coupon, you can either go ahead and select your flight, hotel, or holiday package, then proceed to view your payment page. So basically, during your checkout procedure, you could use your coupons in order to get certain amount of discounts or benefit. So here, you want to open up MakeMyTrip app on your device, log into your account. You could select hotels or flights, either one of these options. Select it out, select the method like one way, round trip, multi-city, and next you also have to select your country and all that, and go ahead and enter in your departure date, arrival, return, all that, and select a search. All right, once you've searched for the flights, then when you proceed on to the checkout procedure, you just need to go ahead and look for coupons or redeem code. Once you select the redeem code section, there you have to enter the fields, enter the code that is available. And once you do it so, you will be able to get certain amount of discount on your. This is how you're supposed to use MakeMyTrip coupons. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.